Have you left the network marketing industry, or has the MLM industry failed you, but you still have dreams, or you still need to make additional income? Well, then stick around because this video is for you. Hi, my name is Nadia Mercelis and I help ex-network marketers to uncover their skills and use them to create a business that is their own. Yes, I have been a network marketer in 3 companies. 2 of them were for health, wellness, and beauty. And I quickly discovered that that was totally not for me. The third one was more business oriented, and I still get residual income from that company. It's dwindling down because I don't do anything anymore, but there was some residual income. However, I have worked my butt off for that company for years. And despite what they tell you in network marketing, that you are going to go to freedom and you are going to live the life of your dreams, I found out very quickly that that was not the life of my dreams at all. Actually, it was just the opposite. Yes, you get rewards for your work and for the quotas you reach. Yes, you probably can travel, but the fact is you pay a high price for that, and that was not at all what I was looking for. I was working late because you recruit at night, and then all the calls at night and the meetings during the weekends, and sometimes the guilt that your upline puts on you. So I decided to leave network marketing and to continue to work with my husband in our traditional business. But I still wanted to create something for myself. And I totally understand network marketers who want or need to do that. Also, older people who, because of COVID or still because of 2008, 2009, still need to create an income for themselves. So I decided to help ex-network marketers to find out what skills they have in themselves, because in network marketing, you actually learn a lot. You have sales, marketing, psychology, and you learn a lot about yourself, self-development. However, sometimes you don't know how to put all that together to create a new business, to create something that belongs to you and at your own pace, without having someone telling you, you know, you have to sell this much by the end of the month. And the last 3 days, it's, you know, chaos and you have to run and things like that. No, I have a system that is called PACE, and that is to create your business at your own pace. P for purpose, A for attitude or mindset, C for clarity, to create your plan and to execute it, and E for efficiency, to create systems so that you can go gradually to time freedom. So stick around with me and we are going to build all that together. I hope to see you very often.